Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, uh, those who had watched the video yesterday and capitated, congratulations to them. And let's try to do that again. So what we have is into the today's market is we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. and a high impact news at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at these timings because it could be a high spread and high volatile timing, which could be not healthy for the small time trades. I mean, small time frame trades. So let's jump to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we had anticipated before had has happened, that the price mitigated this unmitigated wick, and currently what I have what have I marked is this is the 50% of this wick. So the price is reacting from the 50% of this wick and moving into the downward direction. So this is a relatively strong wick of the monthlies because it had taken the liquidity of the previous candles. So I'm anticipating the price to at least show a reaction into the downward direction. So I'll be moving into the smaller time frames and looking for the short trades into the smaller time frames. So this is the weekly levels, and we have similar scenarios into the weekly, and we are responding from this unmitigated wick and moving into the downward direction. So nothing much is clear here. So let's move to the dailies. Now this is the daily chart, and what have I marked here is that the price reacted from this unmitigated wick which had taken some kind of liquidity over here and moved into the downward direction. So I'm anticipating the price to at least move into the downward direction and mitigate this order flow over here. So let's see if we are having such scenarios into the smaller time frames or not. Now this is a 4-hour chart, and what we can see is that price is into the some kind of a sideways zone. So I'm still not pretty much sure about the bias into the 4 hours. So let's move to the 1 hour. Now this is the 1 hour chart, and this is Asia session. But what we can see is that there is some kind of swing over here, and the price moved into the upside direction, and currently the price is sweeping the lows of that swing. So if we are going to close below this Asia session, that is this particular candle's low, then most likely we are going to go into the downward direction, else the bias will be into the upside direction, and maybe we can react into the smaller time frame. There might be some strong highs, so that could be a scenario, but most likely I'm not anticipating to put strong, big targets into the market because that could be a little risky right now. So let's move to the 30 minutes to see a scenario. Yeah, so we are having similar scenario into the 30 minutes, that we are sweeping the lows and the price is moving into the upside direction. Currently, if we are going to close below this Asia low, that is this particular candle, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction, else this Asia high can be vulnerable and the price can possibly react. I don't see any FVG over here. So let's move to the smaller time frames, that is 15 minutes, and the price can possibly react from something over here, or maybe this week. I'm still not pretty much sure, but yeah, that's the current scenario. Is if we are going to be bearish, there should be a close below this candle, else we'll be following the strong lows of the current move. So yeah, this is the trade plan for today, and thank you for watching.